Hi guys, today's unboxing is all about OnePlus power bank. I officially booked it from OnePlus app. Come, let's unbox it. This is the bill which we get with the power bank. You can use the code 200powerbank and get a 200 off on it. It's a 10,000 mAh power bank with 18-watt fast charging. Come, let's open the package and see what all we get inside it. We get a power bank. It has the OnePlus branding on it, and 2 USB port and 1 C-type port. Quick start guide, a red cable card membership, and the main cable. You will also get a micro USB cable to connect with other phones. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe it.